Hello everyone and welcome back to the Gramophone channel. Today we're going to be talking about Sonus faber and continuing our journey. This is part 3, Sonus faber Artisan Speaker Assembly. Now keep in mind this is a 5-part series, so if you haven't seen the other parts, especially the previous 2, make sure you go check them out. The links will be right down below. And as always, while you're here, make sure you subscribe to the Gramophone channel and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date and catch all of this awesome series. Now then, let's get into it. One of the first things that you'll notice is that all driver mounting is being done exclusively by hand. Sonus faber is not kidding when they say handmade in Italy, as up until now, everything that we've seen that could possibly be done by hand, just quite simply, is. The artisans will account for the alignment, secure fitment, and ensuring that the driver is properly wired back to the crossover. After mounting of the drivers, the installation of the crossover, and all other necessary components, the speaker's fascia will be finished with all of the last touches, such as placing the driver bushings to ensure a clean look with no visible screws, and of course, making sure that the entire product is clean and polished down before packaging and shipment. Now take a look at the work that the artisans are doing with the crossovers. Do you see a pattern here? They're all hand-wired and soldered through and through. Again, handmade in Italy means handmade in Italy. And just take a look at this componentry. These crossovers are primo quality, regardless of the price point of the speaker, and especially in comparison to the competition. But one of the single greatest examples of Sonus faber's level of quality has got to be their leatherwork. I mean, look at this stuff. It's gorgeous. Just watch as this artisan so carefully cuts, fits, and wraps this supple piece of leather around the front baffle of this homage tradition Amati. She is amazing. What gets me the most, though, is the precision of the hand cuts. They just give me pause. And I hope it has left all of you feeling as amazed and inspired as it has for me. We here at Gramophone are proud providers of the Sonus faber product line, and if you want to learn more, please visit us at gramophone.com. Or you can schedule a demo at any of our 3 showroom locations in Timonium, Columbia, and Gaithersburg, Maryland. And don't forget to shop online at skybygramophone.com with secure checkout and fast and free shipping straight to your door. Thank you everybody for watching once again. We are so excited to have you here. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and make sure you stay tuned for part 4 of the Sonus faber journey. And until then, of course, be seeing you.